Easy, just this top guy a little bit.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That one was huge.
Yeah. How's the Atlas? Just this top guy a little bit. Good, there you go, good, yeah. Nice, yeah.
Yeah, that's the spot right there. I can feel it all the way to my head.
Mm-hmm.
I can feel it to my forehead.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he was trying to compress that, open up this channel a little bit. The soft tissue is inflamed. This is the soft tissue component that needs to be cleaned out. Just for the viewer, I mean, like I said, that didn't hurt when I did that, right? That was pretty easy, right?
What's that?
This, right, exactly.
What's that? The
The
blade?
combing, yeah, it doesn't.
Nah, the blade's all right.
Some people will go, "Oh my gosh, you're filleting him." I'm like, no, it's meant to be pretty gentle.
No, it doesn't bother me at all.
Yeah, okay. Well, when I show you your back, you're gonna might be a little shocked.
That's all right.
Right there, it's all.
I've been through worse.